Guy next door was
Kitty,
painting.
kitty, kitty. Yeah.
And he got in his car and wanted to go home.
Oh, did he really? Oh my goodness. How old do you think Sniffles is?
Oh, 4
Hi,
maybe.
Sniffles.
Maybe about 4.
About 4? And is he neutered now, or?
Oh, all of them.
Oh, okay.
The ear clip.
Oh, okay. Helen helped you with these before.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't know how she did it.
Oh, I know. She's a miracle worker.
She sure is.
That Helen, she's something.
Called all of them in one
Sniffles.
day.
I bet she'll remember you.
He likes you already. Look at him. He's taking to you.
I wish he would talk.
Yeah, he's
Can
real
you talk,
sweet.
Sniffles?
Come on, Dibble. Say something.
Say something. Kitty,
Come
kitty,
on.
kitty.
When he's hungry, he'll sure talk.
You want your dinner?
Yeah,
I bet you want your dinner.
he'll put his face right in the can while you're trying to feed him.
I know.
I've actually heard his teeth clanging against the fork.
Oh, really? I know. When you're trying to put the fork down there, that's
Him
cute.
and Sweetie do it.
You look like you have a lot of personality. I'll bet even more would come out.
He's laid back. He really is. I never saw a cat like him. Him and his mommy.
Oh, look at you. Now, who would think that I would get that?
Yeah, he's a sweet cat. He really
Aren't
is.
you?
He's really sweet.
Oh, Sniffles. Somebody would love you. We might be able to put your video up pretty soon.
He's good with my granddaughter, but none of them been around kids. But my granddaughter, he loved my granddaughter come and go out there and holler his name, and he'll come running. He loves her.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, that's him. He's sweet. He's a little ham, ain't he?
Yes, he's a ham, all right. Yes, you are. Oh, my gosh.
Yeah,
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, that's Nosy.
Okay.
That's Nosy there.